always keep this in my car. Thanks to it, I save a lot of time and avoid unnecessary stress. It turns out that it's worth keeping a Swiffer in your vehicle. I keep mine under the driver's seat so it's always within easy reach. First, take a Swiffer and attach a regular microfiber cloth to it using 2 rubber bands. Keep this prepared mop in your car at all times. When your windows get dirty during a trip, it reduces visibility, which can be quite dangerous. That's why this simple tool works perfectly. For even better results, spray the cloth with glass cleaner and clean your windows. They'll become crystal clear, improving visibility on the road, even in difficult conditions. One major advantage of this trick is that, after shortening the handle, the mop can also clean the inside of the windshield. Use it to wipe down the dashboard as well, where a surprising amount of dust often accumulates. You should always keep this in your car. Just spray a little WD-40 on a microfiber cloth and wipe these spots. Dirt from shoes often collects on the lower door sills and plastic trim. WD-40 makes the grime disappear quickly and restores the shine to the plastics. This trick is perfect for a quick interior refresh. My neighbor shared this trick with me. Add a bit of dish soap to the hose nozzle and turn on the water. A light foam forms that spreads across the entire car, dissolving dirt without the need for scrubbing. Rinse the car from the roof to the tires and watch how quickly the dust and mud disappear. Finally, wipe everything down with a microfiber cloth, which will soak up the water and add a nice shine. From now on, washing the car has become incredibly easy. Cut a lemon in half and sprinkle it generously with baking soda. Then rub the lemon thoroughly over the headlight to clean it well. The acid from the lemon dissolves buildup and restores clarity, while the baking soda gently removes dirt and dullness. Finally, rinse everything with water. The headlight will be clear again, and the light will become noticeably brighter. Hold a lit candle next to your car's side mirror for 10 seconds. Sounds absurd, but it works brilliantly. That's why I'm going to show you a trick that explains everything. Take a regular candle. Rub the tip of the candle thoroughly over the mirror. Cover the entire surface with an even layer of wax. Don't worry, it won't damage the mirror. Now, carefully light the wax directly on the surface of the mirror. Do it quickly and safely, just for a moment so the wax melts. Then, take a cloth and rub the melted wax thoroughly into the mirror. Don't skip any spots. The layer needs to be even and well adhered to the glass. Once coated, the mirror will shed water and dirt more effectively. It improves visibility on the road during rain. It's a simple home trick that can improve visibility and increase driving safety, especially in harsh weather conditions. A mechanic told me to put this into vinegar and leave it in the car. This trick worked amazingly in just one night. Vinegar absorbs odors well and helps neutralize unpleasant smells in closed spaces. Cinnamon has a strong, pleasant scent and helps freshen the air. When combined with vinegar, it works like a natural car air freshener. The next ingredient is essential oil. Add a few drops of your favorite oil to the vinegar. Now take some cloves. They have a strong, spicy scent and are often used to neutralize unpleasant odors. Add a handful of cloves to the bottle. This mixture works like a homemade air freshener for your car and gradually absorbs bad smells. Place the bottle where you usually keep drinks in the car. In just one night, it can remove unpleasant odors from the car. It is a simple, natural car air freshener that lets you stop buying expensive ones. Thanks to this, I got rid of scratches on my car. Every driver knows how easy it is to get small scratches on the bodywork. Luckily, there's a simple way to remove them without expensive visits to the body shop. You only need 2 ingredients that you probably already have at home. Start by preparing a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The oil has lubricating and protective properties, creating a thin layer that smooths the surface of the paint. Next, add half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar is a natural cleaning agent that dissolves dirt and helps even out the paint's texture. Place the mixture in the microwave and heat for about a minute until the coconut oil completely melts. Your mixture is ready. Now grab a soft cloth, preferably microfiber, that won't scratch the paint. Soak the cloth in the mixture and gently rub it into the scratches on the car. With this method, small scratches will disappear for good, and your car will look beautiful again. Try this trick and enjoy a shiny bodywork without unnecessary costs. All you need is a pot lid to clean your car's upholstery. You've probably never tried such a simple trick. With it, you can freshen up your car's interior quickly and without spending money. Grab a large bowl, add a laundry detergent pod. The ingredients will help remove dirt and leave the upholstery smelling fresh. Pour in warm water. Wait for the pod to dissolve completely and mix it well to create a soapy foam. Take a small cloth and soak it in the mixture. Wring out the excess water thoroughly so it's just damp. Clean the car in sections. Lay the cloth over the upholstery. Place the pot lid on top. It's the key to this trick. Fold the edges of the cloth toward the center and grip them with the lid's handle so it stays tight. Clean the upholstery using circular motions, moving the lid across the surface. If the cloth dries out, simply soak it again and repeat on other areas. Your upholstery will look and smell fresh, giving your car a showroom feel. You'll save money on expensive cleaning at car washes and detailing services. In winter, I always keep toothpaste in the car. It's the cheapest way to get rid of an annoying problem. Although it sounds strange, toothpaste has a brilliant application that will be useful for drivers. Winter is a challenging time for drivers. Snow removal from the car, frozen locks, and fogged up windows. Limited visibility on the road can lead to accidents. It turns out that ordinary toothpaste can solve the annoying problem. All you need is to prepare a microfiber cloth. It's important for it to be clean and new. Squeeze a bit of toothpaste onto it, then rub it onto the inner part of the windshield. Start from the front, spreading it evenly. Then, with the clean side of the cloth, begin to polish. A thin layer of paste will settle on the windshield. Its action will prevent the windows from fogging up. It's always worth having a tube in the car. Additionally, toothpaste has polishing properties. It helps to remove micro-scratches that occur on the windows during driving. You can use a toilet brush to thoroughly clean the inside of your car. Sounds strange, but it really works. When I go to the car wash, I always take it with me. You just need to modify it for this trick. Take a clean toilet brush and use a saw to shorten the handle to about 10 centimeters. Attach the shortened brush to a drill. Its handle should fit perfectly into the drill's chuck. Now take this tool to your car. Just turn it on and apply it to dirty, dusty mats. The drill's power pushes the dirt out better than vacuum cleaners. You can literally see the dust bounce off the fabric. Just brush over the mats a few times at an angle. The dust that comes out is easy to clean. Moreover, the brush will also clean the crevices under and beside the seats, removing even large pebbles and debris. Making this brush cost me only 3 zloty, and my car mats haven't been this clean in ages.